Hey guys, welcome to Tech with Joanne. I'm Joanne. On this channel, I cover how-tos, getting started in tech, business building, and general tech information. On today's video, I'm going to be covering NFTs and specifically the platform OpenSea. OpenSea is a very large platform where you can sell your NFTs and you can go and buy NFTs. It's one of the most popular NFT platforms that are out right now. So everyone is using them. It's one of the ones that, if you hear about those 10,000 collections, a lot of people are putting them on OpenSeas, but you don't necessarily have to have those large collections. So I don't want you to think that you have to have some big thing and put it on OpenSea. You can do one-off collections as well, or one item, 2 items, 3 items. It doesn't matter. However many you want, you can put it up on OpenSea. It's a very popular platform. Everyone is using it. It's super easy to begin to move your NFTs over there because there's a lot of collectors that are going to that platform and looking for NFTs that are interesting. So this is where you should definitely go. I highly suggest using OpenSea. So I'm going to be showing you how to use OpenSea today. So if you are interested in selling your NFT on OpenSea, definitely keep on watching this video and let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into this. What you want to do is you want to go to OpenSea.io and you just want to create your account. How you create an account is you just click on the little guy up here, and what it's going to do is going to ask you to connect your wallet. So that's what you want to do. You want to connect your wallet in order to get an account on OpenSea. So you can connect your Coinbase, you can connect your MetaMask. So they'll have the different wallet options there. I have my Coinbase on here. So just use whatever it is that you use to, store your crypto. All right. So once you have that, you want to go ahead and you want to click here. You can set up your profile, go through all of that. And what you're going to do is you're just going to set up your collection. So I'm going to click on my collections. And then I already have one collection here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to create a new collection. So you just click on create a collection. And it's just super, super easy to do this. You just want to upload your logo image. You want to upload your feature image, and that's the one that's going to be just shown whenever your collection is shown. And then you just want to go ahead and upload your banner, and that's going to be the image that's right above. You want to name your collection. So whatever it is that you're selling, go ahead and give it a name. And then what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and you want to select a specific URL for your collection. So if your collection is ducks, right, you just want to go ahead and you just want to name it something that's relevant to your collection. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to put in a description. In a description, you want to be, just tell a quick little story about the collection, what it is, what's the story behind it. Just give some good detail just so that people are interested when they read it. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to add a category. So the categories are art, collectibles, photography, sports, trading cards, or utility. So go ahead and add a category based on what it is that you've created. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure you put some links. So you can put your site, you can put your Discord. It'll have like the little ending of your Discord. Then you can put your Instagram, and then you can put your Medium handle, and I have no clue what that one is right there. So you go ahead and you put in your links, and that will be on the collection. Then what you want to do is you want to select your royalties. What royalties are is, let's say someone purchases your NFT. They have the ability to resell your NFT to make money on it. You get a percentage off of those sales. So you just want to go ahead and you want to select your royalty and put it up. I believe right now the highest that you can go is 10%. So just think about how much you want to make on the resale of your items. So you will go ahead and put in your royalty fee. You want to select which blockchain you're going to be having your collection on. Is it Ethereum or is it Polygon? The difference between the two majorly, and I'm sure there's more differences than this, but the biggest difference is Ethereum has gas fees, right? And then Polygon is a gas-free blockchain, like it says here. Now, Polygon works with Ethereum. It's sort of like if Ethereum was the main blockchain, Polygon is like Ethereum's, sister, pretty much. So It works in a similar way. It's just that Ethereum is more known to the public. Most people know about Ethereum. Less people know about Polygon, but it's still a perfectly, acceptable blockchain to sell on. And also, one of the major differences is if you have a collection that is very large, the 10,000 item collections is like very popular right now, then you may want to think about selling it on Polygon just because it is gas free. All right. And if you guys want me to make a video where I'm explaining what gas is, then you can definitely go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll do that. But for right now, the biggest difference is that Ethereum, you're going to have to pay that gas fee, and with Polygon, you won't. All right. So after that, you can select which payment tokens you want to accept with your items. So it says you can use these tokens to buy and sell, right? So you just click on this right here, and there's a whole list of tokens, okay? You can go through all of this. I mean, they have a ton. So you just want to go ahead and you want to select which tokens are allowed to, be bought with this collection that you're creating. So go ahead and select that and you'll see them all line up right here. The default right now is Ethereum. So that's mainly what people use. So it's ETH and then WETH. So you can go ahead and you can add more tokens to that, or you can just leave it as these two. The biggest difference between these two is that WETH is necessary for when you are selling your NFTs on auction. So if you actually want your NFTs to be put up here and it's not just a fixed price, you want people to be able to bid on your NFTs, then you definitely want to leave that there. Next, you just want to go ahead and do your display theme. This doesn't really matter. I mean, you can read the recommendations down here. You just select whichever one is best. And then you just want to go ahead and toggle this on if you have explicit sensitive content. And then once you have all of this filled out, you'll go ahead and you'll click create, and then your collection will be created. And it's really just that simple to start your NFT journey over here on OpenSea. Just go ahead, create your collection, and you'll be off and running pretty soon. I'm also going to show you how to add items to your collection, but for now I just wanted to do a quick video showing you how to create your collection on OpenSea. This is a very popular site that a lot of people use to sell their NFTs because it's pretty super easy to get your collection up on OpenSea, and you can sell all kinds of things here. Like I just showed you, they have collectibles, they have art, they have photography. There's a ton of categories that you can sell in. And I know right now the 10,000 collectible items is very popular, but you don't just have to have that. You can sell like one-off things as well. It doesn't have to be a major, collection of the same thing. So you can sell different things on OpenSea, and that's why I really like it. So go ahead and try it out. Create your collection. There is no cost to create a collection. I just want to make that clear. So to create the collection right now is free. What you're doing is just you're prepping for you to be able to post your NFT. So go ahead and create your collection, and in the next video I'll show you how to actually add your NFTs to your collection. I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this was helpful. I appreciate it, definitely. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more information about NFTs and other tech industry videos. Definitely is what I cover. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe for me, guys, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.